In the survey level of the terrain modeling environment, trace a terrain contour. Choose to represent the terrain with a topographic contour plan. Leave only the intersection snap active. Set the triangulation vertices. Specify the point elevation values in Properties. Complete the terrain definition with Finish, and check the correctness of the drawing by closing any non-color triangles. Edit the triangulations in Plan View by moving the grips. Edit elevation values in Properties or graphically in 3D view.